For any revision strategy to work, you really need to have the tools of the trade, and this particular tool is really important, your study space. Now, you might not have your own dedicated study space, a place to call your own, like your own desk in your room, but normally every household has a dinner table, kitchen counter, some sort of area where you can set yourself up. If not, pop-up tables are really cheap. I'll put a link below as well as other study space essentials. Now, the reason a study space is so important is that it helps you work at your peak. It optimizes your capacity to study a lot more efficiently and effectively. That is, if you do it correctly. For a study space to be effective, you need to make sure you are free of distractions. Try and get yourself some privacy. If you can't, headphones are really useful to drown out the noises of family or TV or anything else. Another revision strategy tool is also having a study playlist as well. Make sure you've got a comfortable chair, but also make sure your workspace is clean, it's tidy, it's fresh. But also make sure you got all the resources you need, your textbooks, your notepads, your pens and paper. You don't want to be breaking your concentration, breaking your focus in order just to get a pen. To have a successful time at studying, revising, a study space really is essential. But I also have a lot of other revision strategy tips and tricks. So if you enjoyed this video, check out the rest. You can also find me on Instagram where I post daily #studytips or #studymotivation. And if you want to be part of a channel that really cares about your education, then please consider subscribing. It optimizes you. Optimizes. So you... For any Just a little bit of an end of video plug. Campus Oxford notebooks are just the best notebooks. Link below, buy yourself one, you also support this channel.